Hey everyone, it's Thomas! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're tackling high blood pressure, a common health concern, a serious issue affecting millions of people worldwide. The good news? Simple lifestyle changes, like adding certain delicious foods to your diet, can make a huge difference. Let's dive into my top 5 picks for lowering blood pressure naturally. First up, bananas. These yellow fruits are not just tasty but incredibly nutritious. They are one of the most popular fruits worldwide, and for good reason. These portable powerhouses are packed with potassium, an essential mineral that our bodies need. Potassium plays a vital role in many bodily functions. Potassium is crucial for regulating blood pressure and maintaining fluid balance in the body. It also supports proper muscle and nerve function. It helps your body flush out excess sodium, which can reduce water retention and ease tension in blood vessels. This process is essential for cardiovascular health. Just one banana a day can support healthy blood pressure levels and contribute to overall heart health. They are also a great source of quick energy. Enjoy them as a convenient snack, mix them into your morning oatmeal, or blend them into a delicious smoothie. Bananas are incredibly versatile and can be used in various recipes. Trust me, making bananas a regular part of your diet is a simple and delicious step towards a healthier heart. So next time you're at the store, don't forget to grab a bunch. Your body will thank you for it. Next, let's talk about dark chocolate. This delectable treat has been enjoyed for centuries, and for good reason. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate isn't just delicious, it's also good for you. It's a delightful indulgence that comes with surprising health benefits. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa is beneficial for your heart. The higher the cocoa content, the better. This is because it contains powerful antioxidants known as flavonoids. Flavonoids in dark chocolate relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, lowering blood pressure. This can contribute to better overall cardiovascular health. Regular consumption can help reduce the risk of heart disease. A small piece, about 1 ounce a day, is all you need to reap the benefits without overindulging. Moderation is key to enjoying this treat without any guilt. Savor it slowly or add unsweetened cocoa powder to smoothies or yogurt for a healthy twist. This way you can enjoy the rich taste of chocolate in various forms. It's a guilt-free treat that's good for your heart and taste buds. Enjoy the rich, complex flavors while knowing you're doing something good for your body. So go ahead, indulge in a piece of dark chocolate and relish the moment. Now let's talk about beetroot. This vibrant veggie is loaded with nitrates which your body converts into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens blood vessels, reducing pressure on your arteries. You can see the effects of beetroot on your blood pressure within hours. Drink beet juice or enjoy beets roasted, pickled, or grated raw into salads. It's a quick and effective way to support your cardiovascular health. Moving on to pomegranate. This fruit is bursting with antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which combat inflammation and protect your heart. Pomegranate increases nitric oxide production, relaxing blood vessels, and lowering blood pressure. Enjoy fresh pomegranate seeds, toss them into salads, or sip on unsweetened pomegranate juice for a delicious way to support your heart. Last but not least, ginger. This zesty root is known for its anti-inflammatory effects, which can work wonders for your blood pressure. Ginger relaxes the muscles around your blood vessels, allowing blood to flow more freely. Sip on ginger tea, grate fresh ginger into stir-fries and soups, or add a pinch to smoothies. It's versatile and beneficial. And there you have it, the top 5 foods that lower blood pressure. First up, we have bananas. These yellow powerhouses are rich in potassium, which helps to balance sodium levels in your body and ease tension in your blood vessel walls. Potassium is essential for maintaining heart health and can significantly reduce the risk of stroke. So next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to grab a bunch of bananas. They're not only great for your blood pressure, but also a perfect snack for any time of the day. Next, we have dark chocolate. Not only is it delicious, but it also contains flavonoids that help to improve blood flow. Flavonoids are natural compounds that have been shown to have a positive effect on heart health. Eating a small piece of dark chocolate daily can be a delightful way to support your cardiovascular system. And let's not forget beetroot, which is packed with nitrates that can help to lower blood pressure by relaxing blood vessels. Beetroot can be enjoyed in various forms, such as in salads, juices, or even roasted as a side dish. Its vibrant color and earthy flavor make it a versatile addition to your meals. Pomegranate is another great option. Its antioxidants help to reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants, such as polyphenols, can protect your cells from damage and support overall heart health. Pomegranate seeds can be sprinkled on salads, blended into smoothies, or simply eaten on their own as a refreshing snack. And finally, ginger. This spicy root can improve circulation and has anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger can be used in a variety of dishes from stir-fries to teas, and even in baked goods. Its unique flavor adds a zing to your meals while providing numerous health benefits. Incorporating these foods into your diet is about making simple, enjoyable changes that can have a big impact on your health. Imagine starting your day with a banana smoothie or adding beetroot to your salad. You could also try a piece of dark chocolate as an afternoon treat, or sprinkle pomegranate seeds over your yogurt. These small changes can make your meals more exciting and nutritious. Meal prepping with these ingredients can also save you time and ensure you have healthy options readily available throughout the week. By adding these delicious and nutritious foods to your plate, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier, happier you. It's all about making small, sustainable changes that you can stick with. Sharing these meals with your family can also encourage healthier eating habits for everyone. Imagine the joy of sitting down to a colorful, nutrient-packed meal that not only tastes great, but also supports your well-being. These foods can be easily incorporated into your daily routine, making healthy eating a natural part of your lifestyle. Which of these foods are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Your feedback helps us create more content that you love. Sharing your experiences and tips can also inspire others to make healthier choices. We love hearing about your journey towards better health and are here to support you every step of the way. So, don't hesitate to reach out and share your thoughts. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep bringing you valuable information. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest tips and recipes for a healthier lifestyle. Sharing this video with your friends and family can also help spread the message of good health and well-being. Together, we can create a community of health-conscious individuals who support and motivate each other. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay healthy and take care. Remember, every small step you take towards a healthier diet makes a big difference in the long run. Keep making those positive changes, and you'll see the benefits in no time. Until next time, stay motivated and keep striving for a healthier you.